So hello guys, this is your fan logo because thank you for supporting me and hitting me 50 sub. Just a little bit is a joke. Thank you for hitting me 47 subscribers. So thank you for supporting me. If you are my fan, this is can be yours. Skylar that Gray Fans logo. Edited by Skylar that guy. See? I didn't know there was. Look at this. It's edited by Skylar that guy. So I edit that. I promise I edit that. Tell me in the comments if you don't like that dragon. I'm gonna change it. Okay, what logo do you want that who don't like dragon? So bye.